Welcome back everybody. So it's a day 5 and it's kind of freezing outside. Ooh, it's a stormy. I don't want to do it, but I need to do it because my clothes getting smaller. Either clothes, either me. So let's begin day number 5 and it's gonna be dips first. Let's go. It's hard. It's really hard. I'm gonna do crunches and then I'll come back to dips again. Let's come back to dips. Let's see how many more I can do. $15 more. I'm gonna do squats and I'm gonna come back again to dips. Let's do it like this. Let's do some push-ups. Come back to squats. Push-ups. Getting old. It's kind of electric shocks through the muscles from the shoulder and all the way to the hand. I don't know, it's really strange feeling. I'm gonna do 30 minutes treadmill and subscribe to the channel, hit the thumbs button, leave some comments below, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.